Hello friends, I am Khotsre sir from Guruvarya Dadoji Kondadev Sainik School Tasgaon. So today we are going to learn subject verb agreement part first for our topic spotting errors. The students who are trying for UPSC written exam for subject English. So let's see subject verb agreement part first. A plural verb. Two subjects joined by and will always take a plural verb. The doctor and nurse work together. The doctor and nurses work together. The doctors and nurse work together. Here spell mistake is there of nurse. So when two subjects joined by and will take always plural verb. Or nor. Two singular objects joined by or nor will take a singular verb. For example, a doctor or a nurse is working in the hospital. Or is used, so is there, singular. A singular subject and a plural object joined by or nor will take a singular or plural verb depending on which subject is nearer the verb. वर्ब के नज़दीक जो सब्जेक्ट होता है उसके अनुसार वर्ब यूज़ करना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नाइदर दीपक नॉर हिज फ्रेंड्स आर जॉइनिंग द टूर. हिज फ्रेंड्स के नज़दीक आर है इसलिए आर यूज़ किया है. दीपक के हिसाब से नहीं तो हिज फ्रेंड्स के हिसाब से आर आया है इधर. नाइदर हिज फ्रेंड्स नॉर दीपक इज जॉइनिंग, इधर दीपक इज है. वर्ब एग्री विथ इट्स सब्जेक्ट. If the subject is singular and the predicate is plural, the verb must agree with its subject and not its predicate. Physical conditioning and mental attitude are winning combination. The winning combination is physical conditioning and mental attitude. So according to the subject, verb changes, not according to the predicate. Then fifth one, someone, somebody, each, nobody, anyone, etc. Indefinite pronouns such as someone, somebody, each, nobody, anyone, anybody, one, everyone, everybody, either, neither, etc. always take a singular verb. For example, each of my friends calls me once a month. Each है इसलिए calls आया है. Indefinite pronouns which indicate more than one, several, few, both, many, always take plural verb. For example, both of the books require careful reading. इधर require आया है, requires नहीं. Several of the fielders regularly run 4 or 5 kilometers a day. The next one is collective nouns. Collective nouns like fleet, army, committee, crowd are singular when the group works together as a unit and hence take singular verb. पूरा ग्रुप एक ही काम कर रहा है तो उस वक्त singular verb यूज़ करना चाहिए. For example, the jury has reached its verdict. The team runs in a smooth way. Then collective nouns. Collective nouns are plural when the members of the group are acting individually and hence take plural verbs. अब इससे पहले हमने देखा कि पूरा ग्रुप एक ही काम कर रहा है तो सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज़ करना चाहिए. अब इस टाइप के एग्जाम्पल में अगर ग्रुप इंडिविजुअली एक्टिंग कर रहा है, अलग अलग काम कर रहा है तो प्लूरल वर्ब यूज़ करना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द जूरी हैव आर्ग्यूड फॉर 5 hours. जूरी जो डिसीजन देने वाले हैं वो आपस में आर्ग्यूमेंट कर रहे थे. सो हियर हैव इज यूज्ड. द टीम आर पुटिंग ऑन देयर यूनिफॉर्म्स. टीम के सभी प्लेयर्स इंडिविजुअली यूनिफॉर्म पहन रहे हैं, तो इधर आर आया है. अगर इंडिविजुअल एक्टिंग है तो प्लूरल फॉर्म यूज़ करना चाहिए, और सब एक साथ कर रहे हैं तो सिंगुलर यूज़ करना चाहिए. Some words such as news, missiles, mums, etc. ending in s but represent a single thing. These words need singular verbs. The 7 o'clock news is about to begin. Missiles sometimes has rather serious side effects. Then scissors, trousers, spectacles, shorts. See, some words such as scissors, trousers, spectacles, shorts, etc. ending in yes and seem to present single thing, but they are two parts of that single thing. These words take plural verbs. अभी ये जो nouns है, scissors, trousers, spectacles, shorts, एक ही है लेकिन दो पार्ट्स है, इसलिए ये प्लूरल में यूज़ करना चाहिए. For example, the scissors are on the table. His trousers are very costly. In this way, we have finished our topic. Thank you.